in a very nondescript brick building on the corner of Cup Noodles Park and something else is the Cup Noodles Museum here in Yokohama, Japan, just south of Tokyo. But first, we need to get there. Okay, we are going to Cup Noodles today, and we are running a little behind. We have to be there at 11:30, and we thought it was only a 45-minute train out there, but we just looked, and it says an hour and 15 minutes. So if we leave right now, we should get there at 11:26, 4 minutes to spare. Haha, let's go.
We have an appointment at 11:30 to do the Cup Noodle experience, but right now apparently we're gonna be late.
So we just made it to Shibuya, and we're actually like 6 minutes ahead of schedule. So hopefully there's an earlier train on this TY line that we can jump on, and we can get back on schedule, because that would be great. Lindsay did look up the Cup Noodle Factory, and it looks like there's plenty of openings for today. So if we do miss our time slot, hopefully we can get a new time slot. But we'll see. Hoping we can get on an earlier train. That would be amazing. Looks like they run about every 7 minutes or so.
I think we're ahead of schedule. We'll see.
What are we doing today?
We're going to make noodles.
That sounds like so much fun.
I'm gonna bring red noodles. And toasted.
Yeah, so I don't know if I did a good job explaining it or not, but we're going to Yokohama today. That's where the Cup Noodles Factory is, and it's like an hour and 15-minute trains. But it's only like, I think a total of like 600 yen, so like $4 for each of us, and the younger two girls are free, so it's just amazing that we can go so far away for so cheap. I don't know if you can hear anything because they constantly make announcements on these trains, but we should be there in about 15 minutes. We're here. We just need to find the exit and get out of here. And we have 10 minutes to make it to our time slot. It's 11:20 right now. And it says we have a 12-minute walk. So hopefully we can do this. We'll see. Okay, we have 8 minutes. We just have to cross this road over here, cross the bridge, and then we should be at the factory. You getting tired? According to the time on the Ferris wheel, it's 11:24. A very nondescript brick building on the corner of Cup Noodles Park and something else. There's the Cup Noodles Museum here in Yokohama, Japan, just south of Tokyo. What is that?
Third floor.
Okay.
Let's go.
We have made it into the red elevator. Yeah, like perfect timing. We were here at exactly 11:30. They're like, Here's your spot, Mr. Clarkson.
They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out.
So we are here. We're not really sure what we're doing yet, but I think we're making cup noodles, our own custom cup noodles.
Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest seas. Hoping
So we're gonna design our cup now, okay? And then afterwards, we're gonna get in that line.
And then they'll make the cup noodles. Okay? So hang on though, girls. There's some rules. You can't take the lid off, and you have to draw inside the red lines. We also have to put today's date on it. So we're here, and we just got our cups, and it is crazy here. There's like a school group or something of all these kids in yellow hats. It's adorable. But we got our cups. We had to write the date on it, and now we get to decorate them, and then they'll go fill them up with the noodles and the special sauce and everything we want. And then we can cook them when we get home. So that'll be fun. We should maybe have a cup of noodles tonight. I don't know. Yeah, fun. So the girls are decorating right now.
Good.
So good, honey. I love it. How you doing, Lily?
Good.
Great. How are you, Harper?
I'm not doing more.
You're not doing any more?
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, wow. That's so good.
Pink colors.
Yeah, that's nice.
they can't be overnight.
We're decorating our noodle cups.
What are you drawing on yours?
I don't know, some hearts.
I'm all done. I drew a little chick, our logo, and a bunny. Good to go, Lindsay.
What?
Very pretty. Aww.
Oh, I love it, Lily.
That's so good, Lily.
Love it. Where we get the pig.
I want cookies. I want cookies.
So they just put the noodles in the cup, and now we get to pick out all the toppings we want on them. And everyone gets to pick out whatever they want.
And
Now he's gonna seal them all up, and then we have to eat them within a month. That's Daddy's. All right, that was so much fun. That was a lot of fun. The girls really like that, and I think it's gonna be tasty. I'm excited to try these. But now we gotta put them in like this protective bag. That'll be cool.
so we're gonna have to put them in these. They gave us these already.
It's going. Now
We're heading upstairs to the noodle park.
what's the noodle part?
I don't know.
All
I
right.
guess we'll find out.
A noodle bird.
Noodles Park is closed temporarily. Did you? Bummer. Well, let's go get a drink because I'm thirsty.
This is cool. You should definitely come make your own cup noodles. It was fun.
Oh, thanks.
How much did it cost?
3,500 yen for all 5 of us. So that's like $24-ish. What? We'll get some food in a minute.
So we are in what they're calling the Noodle Bazaar, and it's all these little shops. There's like an Italian noodle place. There's South Korean. There's like a Vietnamese pho, a noodle place, and yeah, I think there's like a Thai place I saw at the beginning. It's really neat. So they've like stylized all the little stalls as like from that locality. And then they have a little machine in front of each one of them, and you just buy the ticket of whatever noodle you want to buy, and you get lunch. This one's cool. You can actually get instant cup noodle. Makes sense, right? I think we found the museum. I think that is Noodles in Space. Okay, so yeah.
You stand over there, Cora. You stand over there.
How do you do this? How do you make it work? Hey, go stand down there. Cora, stand next to that cup.
Yeah.
And Harper's right there. Perfect. We get a picture of you too.
What?
Because you look like you're the same size now. Actually, Lily looks like she's the smallest. You're the tallest. And go, yay! Lily, take your mask off and do something. So I think this is like the first museum gallery we've taken the girls to. It's kind of funny just to see like, wait, this isn't a museum, because they're so used to going to like science museums, but this one's really neat. It's like these really creative exhibits. Chickens. Get ya.
I want 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you for what you want?
A pizza.
Okay. Here, pizza.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so it looks like every noodle that's ever been made, and it has the year that they were invented.
Jumps real fast from 1958 to 1994. And then the rest is all today and stuff. It's crazy. The Cup Noodle Museum.
It was really fun.
It was. Yeah, the best part was making the noodles, because if you just come and don't make the noodles, I don't know if it's worth it. But
yeah.
Because the museum's actually kind of small, but it was a lot of fun. So, so we're gonna go check out some other stuff in Yokohama and see what there is.
Yep.
Let's go. Well, we actually spent an hour and a half there. Kind of surprised by that. So there's this mall right over here, and then there's supposed to be like a Christmas market somewhere. So I think we'll go try and find the market maybe. I don't know. I think the market's down that way at like the red brick warehouse.